Here I'm cutting I think it's a tree stump, and I'm cutting it so it fits into the place where it's going to rest better, so that there's more room to walk. Here I'm using the chop saw just to clean it out a little bit better, so it's a bit cleaner. Here I'm cutting the top of the support that we've built for this, because it needs to be a bit higher, so it's going to be suspended in the air. And so you can see I've cut it into this so it doesn't stick into the area where you walk too much. We're going to wrap this with wire mesh and plywood first, then wire mesh, so that it's going to be super strong. We want to connect it to the wall so it has the first piece of the railing support, so that it makes it even stronger. Looks like a little bit of a human being or some type of a sculpture that's prying into the space there. It looks pretty good. We've varnished it with a matte varnish, not a glossy varnish, just to keep it a little bit more natural looking. Here we have an outlet, which is also a control box for a couple of lines, so we need to keep that open. Here we're trying to fit in a railing, and the railing is actually a dead tree that we cut 10 minutes before. And it has one spot, one branch that we're going to use to force the two of them together. And here we're making it fit into the wall itself. I'm going to cut the exact hole, and then I'm going to caulk it and screw it into place so it's super strong. Here I've cut the hole, here I put the caulking in. Now all we have to do is fit it, and not as easy as you think, because it's got all these little twisty turny things. One side there's a steel stud right there, which is really good because we're going to screw into that. But here we're forcing it in, and the cut was marked, so it should be perfect. There it is, it's in. Now we're going to fasten the railing to the newel post, or the tree trunk. And by fastening this, we're also going to use some more screws that are going to be hidden. It made it very strong just having that extra angle there. And the fact that it's really rustic looking for an Ecolodge is actually beneficial. It's not an aluminum railing or something like that. So here we're wrapping it with wire mesh. We're going to actually cement it and make it look like it's a big rock coming out of this countertop. Here I'm starting to put the first coat. I like to have it very rocky, not rocky, but quite strong. This is actually white Portland cement with fine sand. It doesn't go in perfectly to the grooves without a lot of force, and it takes a bit longer, but I prefer that I'm starting with a grainy, sandy, stronger mix.